press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in chapter food making in plants, we discussed about many things in the previous sessions, isn't it? Yes, we discussed about uses of plants and about the process of photosynthesis, and we discussed about different types of leaves and also parts of a leaf. And next we discussed about how do plants use their food, and then test about chlorophyll. See, chlorophyll is very important for photosynthesis, and also sunlight is also very important for photosynthesis. Then unusual plants, energy flow in living things, and animals and plants are depend each other, and last one, balance in nature. About all these things we learned in the previous sessions, isn't it? Yes, right. Today we are going, yes, in your textbook they are given some questions. Now we are going to find out the answer for these questions. Okay, yes, right. See, first main, tick the correct answer. See, in this main they given one of the statement, be related statement, they given three options. You have to pick out one option, which one is correct. Okay, yes, right. Let's start. Okay, pick the correct option. First one, leaves are green in color because they contain a substance called, so you know, leaves are green in color, they contain one of the substance. Which one? Chlorophyll, hemoglobin or melanin. So which one they contain? They contain chlorophyll. What they contain? Chlorophyll. Okay, this is the first one answer. Okay, next one, the leaves take in carbon dioxide present in the air through the options stomata, midrib, stalk. So which one is correct answers? See, leaves need carbon dioxide. The process of photosynthesis, in which part it takes? Which one? From stomata. From stomata it intake what? Carbon dioxide. From the part, which one? Stomata. Okay, next, third one. This is the flat part of the leaf. So which one is the flat part of the leaf? Option 1, midrib, leaf blade, and next one, stalk. So which one is correct answer? See, midrib, it helps to transfer what? Food and materials, and then the stalks are helps to attach the leaf to the stem, and this which one? Leaf blade. So leaf blade is the flat part of the plant. So which one is correct answer? Leaf blade. Okay, yes, right. Next one, in plants, extra food is stored in the form of, stored in the form of, option 1, glucose, B, fructose, third one, starch. Yes, you know, extra food in the plants, they are stored in the form of starch. So ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? Plants. Okay, next one, which program helps to save trees? Option 1, Project Tiger, option 2, Project Rhino, third one, Vana Mahotsava. So which one program helps to save trees? So Vana Mahotsava. So Vana Mahotsava helps to save trees. See, Project Tiger, Project Rhino means it's saving tigers and rhinos. So why? Because we have to balance nature. So ನಮ್ಮ ನೇಚರ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ದೀಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈವ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫೋಟೋಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸೇವ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಟೈಗರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ರೈನೋ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜನ್ರೇಷನವರು ಆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇಮೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೇವ್ ಟೈಗರ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟೈಗರ್ಸ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೈನೋದಿಂದ ರೈನೋಸರಸ್ನ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. We have to save all animals because all animals are very important. If it extinct, we cannot see in. So the next generation ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ you should save all the animals, all the natural things. Okay, yes, right. Next main, name the following by using clues given below. Okay, so next main ನೋಡೋಣ. First one, the flat part of the leaf, which one? Leaf blade. Leaf blade is the flat part of the leaf. Okay. Next one, a green color pigment present in the leaves, which one? Chlorophyll. Next, extra food is stored in the form of starch. Part of the plant prepare its own food. Which part prepare food for the plants? Leaves. And part of the plant which absorb water from the soil? Root. Which one? Root. Root absorb water from the soil, isn't it? Yes, right. Next one, fill in the blanks. See, first one, the dash present in the leaves helps them to trap the sunlight. The dash present in the leaves help them to trap the sunlight. Chlorophyll, isn't it? Yes, normally. Chlorophyll helps to trap sunlight, light from the sun. Okay, yes, right. Next, dash means light and dash means putting together. Dash means light, dash means putting together. So photo means light and synthesis means putting together. See, which one is the answer? Photo. Next one, dash is synthesis. Synthesis means some putting together. Okay, yes. Next one, the dash attach the leaf to the stem. The stalk attach the leaf to the stem. Okay, yes, right. Next one, molds and mushrooms are dash plants. Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. Why? Because it does not contain chlorophyll or a green pigment. It's look like a white in color. So non-green color ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಥರ cream color ಇರುತ್ತೆ molds and mushrooms. So that's why we call it as a non-green plants. Non-green plants. Okay, yes, right. Next mean answer the following question. First one question, why do green leaves need to produce food? Sorry, what do green leaves need to produce food? So green leaves food produce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ what they need? Green leaves need carbon dioxide means air, water and sunlight in the presence of what? Chlorophyll, isn't it? Yes, right. Why are green leaves called the food factories of a plant? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು food leaves ನ food factory ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Because green leaves prepare food for the plant, so that's why we call leaves a food factory or a kitchen part of the plant, isn't it? Yes, right. Next, what is photosynthesis? Mention all conditions necessary for photosynthesis. Listen carefully. So what is photosynthesis? Mention all conditions necessary for photosynthesis. Answer, the process by which green leaves prepare food for the plant using water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight plants means leaves can prepare food for the plants. See, this process is called photosynthesis. ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. The process of by which green leaves prepare food for the plant using water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is called chlorophyll. Yes, then the roots of the plant absorb water from the soil and the stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. The leaves take in carbon dioxide present in the air through the stomata. The chlorophyll present in the leaves helps them to trap the sunlight. Sunlight provides energy to the leaves for preparing food. Isn't it? Yes, right. See, for example, see. Yes, in photosynthesis they need what? Air, water and sunlight, isn't it? Yes, right. See they need what? Mainly sunlight, okay. See, chlorophyll trap the sunlight, okay. Next, roots absorb what? Water. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Roots water ನ absorb ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ and stem carries what? Water to the leaves and leaves absorb carbon dioxide through stomata. By using all these raw materials, leaves can easily prepare food for the plants. See, this process is called photosynthesis. These are all the conditions are very important to plants to synthesize food. Okay? Yes, right. Next one question. Why leaves of croton appear dark red? Do these leaves have chlorophyll? ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರೋಟನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೀವ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ರೋಟನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ leaves have chlorophyll but a red pigment which hides the green color. See this one, which one? Croton plants have chlorophyll. So adರಲ್ಲಿ chlorophyll irutte, they contain green pigment but a red pigment it hides the green color. So normally green color ಇರುವಂಥ ಲೀಫಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೋಟೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. What are stomata? Read the function of stomata in plants. Stomata means it's the lower surface of the leaf contains tiny opening called stomata. So lower surface. So leaf na lower surface nalli ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, tiny hole ಇರುತ್ತೆ. We call that it is a what? Stomata. So ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ, ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್. During photosynthesis, a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through stomata. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟ ಏನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೋಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಥ್ರೂ ನೋಸ್ ವಿ intake oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. Isn't it? Like this, stomata is also helps to intake carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen in the time of photosynthesis. And also water vapor through the stomata. So rate of transpiration means the water vapor is also through the stomata. Okay, yes, right. Next one. How do plants use their food? How do plants use their food? See, plants use their food in number of ways. So number of ways nalli plants food na utilize ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, like us. See, first one, it is used to get energy. See, plants use their food to get energy. Some of food is used for growth and extra food is stored in the form of a starch in leaves, stems and roots. See, plants also need energy. Why? Because ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿ ದ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಸಾಯಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ನ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಎನರ್ಜಿನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀಡ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. Yes, and some food is used for growth purpose and extra food is stored in the form of a starch, where in leaves, fruits, vegetables, stems. Okay, next. Which program helps to save trees? Vana Mahotsav program helps to save trees. Next, why is a balance between plants and animals essential? Because animals depend for their food and their supply of oxygen on plants. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide. This is used by plants. So ಎರಡೂ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ, animals all depend on plants for food. Say plants are prepare what? It intake carbon dioxide, it's exhale what? Oxygen. So that oxygen is consumed by human beings and animals and it gives out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide are consumed by these plants. It's a very interdependent between these plants and animals. It's a balance in nature. Okay. Next, when do we celebrate World Environment Day? Yes, we celebrate World Environment Day on June 5th. Yes, name a gas plants need to make food. So which gas is need to plant make their own food? They need carbon dioxide to make their own food, isn't it? Yes, right. Next, name any two non-green plants. Moulds and mushrooms are non-green plants. Which is the main source of energy? Sun is the main source of energy. Next, give two examples of a food stored in each of the following. Yes, in each of the following, where do they store food? Okay, say one by one. First one, roots. So roots alli yav plant food na store madutte? Carrot, beetroot. Okay, next one. Yes, in leaves, cabbage, and next one, spinach, palak suppu. So they store their food in leaves. And next one, stems, sugarcane, and then potato. They store their food in stems. Next, seeds. Yes, peas, and then some seeds like rice also. See, they store their food in seeds. Okay, and then flowers. Example, cauliflower means hukosu. We use this cauliflower to prepare what? Gobi. And next one is broccoli. Next, in fruits. Yes, in fruits, apple, papaya. See, these plants or trees, they store their food in apple and papaya. Okay, for example, vegetables, say brinjal. See, they as in brinjal plant, they store their food in vegetables. See, in many parts. So different plants, they store their food in different parts, isn't it? Yes, right. Next one, how do you show that a green leaf has a starch in it? How do you show that a green leaf has a starch in it? Yes. First one, aim to show that a green leaf has a starch in leaf. First we have to take a leaf from a potted plant. Next boil the leaf in water for a few minutes and it kills what? Cells. And next boil the leaf in alcohol till it becomes pale white. Then add a few drops of iodine on leaf. See what happens? If it is contains starch, the leaf turn into bluish black. It's showing what? Starch. It's showing what? Starch. Okay. Yes. Next one. Draw a neat labeled diagram of a leaf. Write any two functions of a leaf. Yes. So we have to draw a neat diagram of a leaf. So that one is in your textbook. Okay, so you have to draw neat diagram and label the parts. Use a scale to draw a label. Label ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು scales ನ use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀಟಾಗಿ label ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Below the diagram you should write what? Name of the diagram, and also you should don't forget to write the uses of leaf. So uses na ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. See what are the functions or uses of leaves are? Green leaves prepare food for the plants. It's a main use of the leaves. Some leaves store food in the leaves in the form of starch, such as cabbage, spinach. They store their food in where? Leaves. Okay, next one. Draw a neat diagram of a mushroom. How do these plants survive without chlorophyll? Yes, see, mushrooms are non-green plants. How do they do not contain chlorophyll? How do they survive their life? See, these mushrooms are grow on dead and decay plants and animals. So ಈ mushrooms ಎಲ್ಲ dead and decay organic matter ಮೇಲೆ grow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So next one, draw a neat diagram of a cactus plants. How cactus plants differ from other plants? See, normally these cactus plants grow in desert area, isn't it? See, in desert area very hot in temperature. See, that's why their leaves are reduced into thorns. See this fleshy stem. See the fleshy green stem prepare food for the plants. Okay. Yes. Dear students, today we discussed about we find out the answers for the questions. Okay. Yes. Thank you, my dear students.